What if your map could tell you more than just where things are? What if it could also tell you how many, how much, or what type? In this video, we'll make our maps smarter by learning how to join data in QGIS. Let's start with attribute joins. An attribute join combines spatial layer with a non-spatial table using a common field. For example, joining a population CSV file to a district boundary shapefile using the district name dot to do this. First, load both the spatial layer and the CSV file into QGIS. Then, right-click the spatial layer, open Properties, and go to the Joins tab. Click Add Join, select your CSV as the join layer, and choose the matching field from both datasets. Once applied, new columns from the table will appear directly inside the layer's attribute table. At this stage, it's important to remember that attribute joins are temporary, so exporting the join layer ensures your data is saved permanently. Next, let's look at spatial joins. Unlike attribute joins, spatial joins work based on location, not matching text fields. A common example is counting how many schools fall inside each district to perform a spatial join. Open the Processing toolbox and select Join Attributes by Location. Set the input layer as the polygons that will receive the data, such as districts, and the join layer as the points, such as schools. Choose a spatial relationship like contains or intersects, and select a summary option like count. The output is a new polygon layer, for each district now includes a field showing the total number of schools inside it. Now, let's briefly understand join types. A one-to-one join occurs when each feature matches exactly one record. This is common in attribute joins like District 2 population. A one-to-many join happens when one feature matches multiple records, such as many schools inside one manageable. Finally, once your join looks correct, always export the layer. Right-click the joined layer. Choose Export Give Save Features as select a format like GeoPackage and save it. This locks in your join data and prepares it for sharing or further analysis. Let's recap. Attribute joins connect tables using a shared field. Spatial joins connect layers based on location. One-to-one joins are straightforward. One-to-many joins require aggregation or summaries. Always export joined layers to make results permanent. Understanding joins is essential for meaningful GIS analysis. If this video helped you understand geoprocessing better, please give it a like. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.